Another frequent use of reference window is to provide reference frequency for tracking of RPM-related signal component. For example, if we want to perform peak RMS tracking of these three major components: N1, 2N1, and 6N1. First turn on tracking. Select Peak RMS. Then select N1 as the active RPM. Turn on N1, 2N1, and 6N1. Then start. This plot shows the result for peak RMS of N1, 2N1, and 6N1. It is such cross-reference to the RPM in reference window provides the convenience to track all the RPM-related components. To track N2 components, simply select N2 as the active RPM. Then repeat the same process for N2 component tracking.